welcome to your home. So this is the living sitting room area. Then we're gonna head out to on the main floor laundry. So there's a washer and dryer and all the stuff that you need for the washing machine. There's a hamper there. And right over here is the powder room. So this is our kitchen. It's fully equipped with everything that you need. You can enjoy a beautiful family dinner here or a game night. It has a beautiful backyard facing these beautiful trees. And there's this cozy sitting living room area with all the Netflix, YouTube, Prime, Crave video. Now head on to upstairs. Let's start this tour of the upstairs. And this is the master bedroom that we're heading to. This is our king bed. Has a nice TV. There is an ensuite bathroom with double sink, a nice bathtub, and a stand-up shower. Also, I wanted to show you the his and her closet, and there's a dresser that you can put all your stuff in. So this is the linen closet where you will find all your clean, fresh towels. Then we're heading on to the second bedroom that has a queen bed. So this is the main bathroom that has a nice cozy pink and brown tone. And then we're heading on to the other bedroom that has another queen bed. And also you can see the nice view on the outside. Then it has a huge closet that it's a walk-in closet, so you can keep all your clothing, bedding, everything that you need, anything that you need to store while you're staying here. Now we're heading on to the fourth bedroom. So this is our fourth bedroom. This can be used as a kid's room, or you can have two single people staying here. It also has a big closet, a walk-in closet. In the basement, we're building a game room. So right now I have a foosball table. Eventually I will put in a ping pong table and an air hockey table with a cozy couch, so that it's an open concept for kids to entertain themselves.